Bethany, and that's true.
As urban explorers, one abandoned building is enough to capture our attention.
So when we heard that a cluster of buildings, including houses, a school, and a hospital, were left standing in ruins, we knew it was worth a closer look.
Join us as we investigate the vast expanse of the abandoned George Air Force Base, right here on Oddity Odysseys. George Air Force Base is located in Victorville, California. From Interstate 15, we're taking Mojave Drive west and then a quick right onto Village Drive. In about 3.5 miles, Village dead ends at Air Expressway. We'll turn left and the abandoned base begins in a little over a mile on the right. We are looking for George Street.
Are we?
Okay, George Boulevard.
Well, this looks relatively normal, right? Oh, it's not normal. It's actually abandoned.
You can totally see all the windows are broken out. This is a huge area, too.
Why would they leave the gate open? I guess they don't care. Okay, we don't see a trespassing sign here just yet. It's somewhere, but you know what? We'll just try to play it safe.
I'm sure it's the whole neighborhood they're talking about. There are 5,347 acres of abandoned buildings to visit here.
It might be more than that.
Might be?
Might be more than that.
Wow.
But yeah, that's a lot.
Anyway, we're not going to see it all today.
No.
But we're going to try to see a lot of it.
I can imagine too that every urban explorer that comes here has a different experience.
Okay.
Ooh, what is this?
We're getting into some houses here.
Okay, let's turn right down here.
Turn right? Okay.
Carolina, the street signs are still up.
The streets are all named after U.S. states. Here's some two-level units down here. Again, all abandoned. Well, if you see something that looks exceptionally interesting,
All right, let's just go into here.
we'll pull over. In that one? Oh boy.
Oh, your poor tires.
Maybe I'll back in it. You know, just like we live here.
Hello, this is our apartment.
We're home. All right, we're gonna check into 328.
Ah, here we go. Apartment or condo, maybe?
Maybe we can find out. They're 2 levels though. I mean, so maybe a townhouse type of thing.
I'm just surprised that after almost 3 decades, that all of this is still standing.
Actually, the whole base is still under investigation because after 50 years of military use and jet fuel spills and all who knows what, there's contaminants in the water, contaminants in the soil. So it's not a place where you would really want to live or stay for a very long period of time.
That would take a lot to clean up.
Yeah, but this does look like it was once a living area.
Yeah.
A kitchen, pass-through window, closet space. Actually, the floor plan of this looks very similar to a lot of apartments and homes I've been in.
Are those stairs sturdy?
So far. Smallish, though. This would have been a bedroom, bathroom, closet there.
And look at that lovely view.
And you can see just rows and rows of identical buildings to this one, just stretching off into the distance. Yep, here's a toilet.
There we go.
There's actually another toilet over there because the 2 bathrooms were next to each other. That's the unit next door, but since there's a big hole in the wall, you can see both toilets.
So I guess they were pretty close together.
Yeah. Cookie cutter. Very cookie cutter design. Another bedroom. Attic. Closet, I guess. Yeah, shelves. Why is this door closed?
Someone's in there. Okay, if there would have been a response, I would have freaked out.
Yeah, another bedroom. Must have been the boys' room.
Oh.
That was just a piece of glass I stepped on. All good. I guess with a living space like this, you've seen one, you've seen them all. So we don't have to explore all of these.
No, but we do have to try to see one of every type of structure.
That would be nice.
So, you know, the apartments, the houses.
Activated in 1941 to provide training for air crews and support tactical fighting operations, George Air Force Base was originally known as the Victorville Army Airfield. The base remained on standby status until reopening in 1950 during the Korean War.
Named in honor of General Harold H. George, a World War I fighter ace, the base was used for over 4 decades before its closure in 1988. By 1992, George Air Force Base was officially shuttered and left in ruins.
The car is our friend today because there's so much here to see that there's no way we could have walked everywhere and seen everything before it gets dark.
Exactly. Ooh, look at that one. That one's falling over.
Yeah, the weather out here can get pretty rough.
Which way should I go? There's trees in the street down here.
Where do you want to go? Where is your instinct telling you to go?
This way?
Okay.
Not that my instincts have ever been correct.
Yeah, a lot of these look like the ones that we just explored.
Identical units.
We're in the apocalypse.
Yeah. Would it be worth our while to explore one of these buildings?
These look a little different. They look more like houses.
So now we're kind of going back into the yard. There's a little turnoff here. Park in the shade here. Although this does look like it maybe was once covered parking as well. I don't know.
Yeah.
So which one should we go into?
I think they're all gonna be the same, right?
Yes, they are all the same.
Although it is crazy to think that hundreds and hundreds of families have lived here at one point.
Yeah.
A lot of people. Remember, there are 250 buildings in George Air Force Base,
Yeah,
so there's a lot to see.
totally. Look at these windows. The frames are bent.
Watch out for the tumbleweeds.
The tumbleweeds are the only residents at present.
They're huge.
And there's like piles of them
I know.
in here.
They're everywhere.
I guess they blow in and they just get stuck.
Yeah, we haven't seen one piece of furniture yet.
I'm sure it's all been looted.
We haven't seen a couch or a fridge.
Look at the ceiling.
I know. Well, caving in.
Mm-hmm.
I think the biggest question that people have is why is all of this still here?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it all still standing? And at one point, Victorville wanted to turn all of this space into a rail yard.
That's right.
But with the cleanup and the contaminations and everything else, that could take decades before that even begins to happen.
Exactly, yeah. And it's kind of neat that part of this base is still an active airfield. The Victorville, Southern California Logistics Airport is right over there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh man, have a look at this room. I'm not walking up the ramp, but get a look at the ceiling. Yeah, this is scary.
Treacherous.
The floor up there is all sunken in.
Yeah. One step and you probably fall through.
Yeah, this is a death trap. Not one intact pane of glass.
No, that's what
They are all broken. This whole area is a kind of a maze of streets.
It is.
You really need a map to understand where you're going. This might be the hospital.
Okay, the
Oh my
last
God,
thing we
lady.
want is for somebody. Is that a person? Oh, that's a tumbleweed.
The door is wide open for us.
There's not even a door there, really, though. It's just a frame.
This was a better place to hide the car.
There's a lot of glass. Be careful.
Yeah. This is crazy. Tumbleweeds.
Okay, I thought that was a person.
One door on the floor. Oh, geez.
Well,
I have the added ability to step completely over the door. Shh. It's dark in here.
yeah, I'm really glad we decided not to do this at nighttime.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a huge building.
Should I grab the flashlight?
Yeah. Place is huge. I feel like any moment a little bit of an earthquake would just go and make everything fall down.
Yeah. And all these conduits above us will just drop. What is this, a courtyard?
Oh, piece of wire, watch out.
Should we see if we can get into that building?
I mean, we can try it. Why not, right?
We're here.
That's why we're here.
It's actually all the same building, but...
Yeah.
And we have our giant flashlight.
Yeah. Part of it. It's a desk.
To me, this looks like somewhere where a receptionist would sit
Yeah.
to bring in patients.
There's a light over on the other side. I must say, this is very colorful.
It's a total maze, too. Wow. Look at this place.
Where are we?
I know, right?
Train. That's how you know we're not in the apocalypse.
Mm-hmm.
For a second, I forgot.
There's a lower level, which means there's got to be a way down there.
Elevator to your left.
Oh, sure enough.
Should we use it?
Well, that one, the doors are open, so just, just take one big step in.
Where's the button?
It would have been right here. It's gone.
Oh, man.
Well, there's got to be steps somewhere. Oh, to your right.
Oh, there they are. I'm afraid to touch anything.
Me too.
Broken glass, some doors.
Well, our flashlight just died, so I imagine things will be getting a little creepier from here on in.
It's a hospital. That kind of creeps me out even more.
Mm-hmm. Fortunately, we do have lights on our phones, so we'll press on. What is that? There's some kind of cabinet in there.
Yeah.
Can you get around?
I might go around.
Okay. Try not to stir up too much dust. Also, there's a
Yeah.
big hole in the floor right
great.
here.
Yeah, don't go over there.
Yeah.
Here it is. The other side. This is. Yeah, some kind of electrical.
Oh, okay. Crazy.
Careful. Watch out for the hole.
Yeah, right.
It's so quiet in here.
Step over. Good. Oh,
What is this?
this is hospital equipment, lady.
Ooh, should have.
I'm not sure what it is, but
This is creepy.
yeah.
What operations went down in here?
There's another one.
Oh no, the creepy machine. Ah, this is scary.
I would just like to know what this is. I don't know. No. General Electric. Angulation, horizontal stop, I don't know. Table power, some kind of table that moved back and forth. Holes in the ceiling. This is like an urban explorer's dream.
Yeah. We wanted to see what was over by the water tower and found this little building.
Yeah.
No idea what it could be,
Let's figure it out.
but it is up the hill a little bit.
Yeah. Look at that sign over there.
Golf course closed. What? I really don't see how that could have been a golf course in any point in time. Any
I mean,
point
it
in time.
must have been.
So you're saying maybe this was like the country club? Not the country club, but
Well, I'm thinking maybe just a golf course for the military folks to use. More tumbleweeds.
got some papers here.
Oh, what'd you find?
West Winds Golf Course.
It was a golf course. What's on the other side? Is a scorecard?
Not used. If you call this number, you think they'll answer? It's on here.
Oh, if anything, we hear a phone ring here.
Okay, don't tell me stuff like that. It's gonna creep me out. Oh, there's a door over here. This is a pretty big building.
Really is.
Well, guys, the golf course is closed.
But I guess it was right here. I mean, it looks kind of like the rolling hills you'd see on a golf course.
All persons on or about these premises assume all risk of injury or loss to themselves.
Isn't that the truth?
I just found a thingy.
A tee.
I'm sorry, guys. I don't play golf. I don't know what it's called. So now all we need is a golf ball and a club. There must be some around here somewhere.
Let's get looking.
That was cool. This was worth the detour up here.
Yeah, I think so.
The once bustling Georgia Air Force Base is now a ghost town full of decaying ruins, countless memories, and tumbleweeds.
I'll say. Hey, if you want to explore some other locations with us, check out our episode on Murphy Ranch, as well as the Salton Sea Naval Base. Pretty cool spots. We'll put links to those in the description below.
Thank you for joining us on today's adventure, and we'll see you on the next Oddity Odysseys.
I think there's more. There's more to see.
Oh, great.
Look at this tree.
That's right.
How does a tree get there?
Right in the middle.
I mean, where was it before?
I think with George Air Force Base, you just don't question something that you see.
I'm not going to question anything.
Oh, we can't even get out this way. We're blocked in. Oh no.
God, well now it's clearly obvious we don't belong in here.
Yeah.